Okay guys, this is the solution of your homework. Number 8a, we have 1, -2, 5, 3 times with 2, -3. Let's check if we can multiply this or not. Yeah, so the first is 2 times 2 matrix, and for the second one is 2 times 1 matrix. As you can see, we have same numbers for the middle dimension. That means we can multiply them. To multiply them, you have to use the row times column method. Yeah, so for the first one, you will have 1 times 2 equals to 2, -2 times -3 equals to +6, and then for the second row you will get 10 and -9. Yeah, so therefore you will get 8 and 1. This is the first answer. And then the next one, we have 1 times 2 matrix, and then for this one is 2 times 3 matrix. As you can see, we also have the same numbers in the middle of the dimension. That means we can multiply it. Yeah, so first is like this: the first row times the first column. 6 times 3, 18. 18 plus 0 equals to 18. And then for the second column, it will be 6 times -1 equals to -6. -6 and -12 equals to -18. And then for the third one will be -24 and -3, -27. Yeah, okay, -24, -3, -27. Yeah, okay, next is 8 apa tuh. Yeah, next is 8e. For the 8e, I have 1 times 3 matrix, and then for this one is 3 times 2 matrix. Yeah, we can multiply this. So the first is first row and first column. When we multiply it, we will have 12. This times this is 12. This times this is -10. This times this is -2. So 12 minus 12 equals to 0. Yeah, so the first is 0, and then the next is this times this equals to 8. This times this equals to 5, and this times this equals to -3. Berapa nih? 13, 10 ya. So the next will be 10. Please pay attention the position of the element, yeah, because we move the column to the right side. That means our answer also move to the right side. Now not go down, yeah, but move to the right side. So the answer is 0, 10. And the next is G. For G, we have 2 times 2 matrix and 3 times 2 matrix. For this one, we cannot do the multiplication because the number of the middle dimension is not the same. Yeah, so it's not possible. And for the 8i, we have 2 times 3 matrix and 2 times 2 matrix. This one also not possible. For the K, we have 2 times 3 matrix and 3 times 2 matrix. For this one, we can do the multiplication. So let's start with the first row and the first column. You will have 5 plus 0 plus 6, yeah, equals to 11. And then with the second column, you will get -8 plus 2, -6, -6 plus 18, 12. 12. And then go to the second row. The second row will be 15, 0, 15, and 12, 27. 27. And then with the second column, 3 times -8 equals to -24. -24 plus 4 equals to -20. -20 and 36. Yeah, -20 and 36, 16, guys, 16. So the result is 2 times 2 matrix. And the next is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2 matrix. Ini pasti bisa ya, it's obviously possible. So for the first one is -6 and 7 equals to 1, and then for the next is this one, 14 minus 14 equals to 0, and then for the second row it will be -3 plus 3 equals to 0, and then for the next is 7 minus 6 equals to 1. Okay, as you can see, the result is identity matrix, yeah. So there are matrix multiplication that give the result of identity matrix. And then next is number 9a. For number 9a, the question want us to find a times b. Yeah, a times b equals to 1, negative 2, 2, 1, 4, 3 times with B, 2, 1, negative 3, and 7. For the first one, it's 3 times 2 matrix, and this one is 2 times 2 matrix. As you can see, the middle number is the same, so we can do the multiplication. We'll start from the first row times the first column. You will get 1 times 2 equals to 2, negative 2 times negative 3 equals to 6, 2 plus 6 equals to 8, and then with the second column you will get 1 times 1 equals to 1, negative 14, negative 13. Okay, good. And then for the second column, for the second row, 2 times 2 equals to 4, 4 minus 3 equals to 1, and then 2 times 2 equals to 2, and 7, 2 plus 7 equals to 9. For the third row is 8 and negative 9 minus 1, 4 and 21, 25. Okay, so this is the result for A times B. And the next is 9C. 9C, the question wants us to find the B square. B square means you have to multiply the B like this, 2, 1, negative 3, and 7. And then after that, we know that this is square matrix. Square matrix can be multiplied with another one, yeah. So this one is 2 times 2 equals to 4, 4 minus 3 equals to 1, and then for that one is 2 and 7 equals to 9. For the second row, it will be negative 6 and negative 21 equals to negative 27. Negative 6, negative 21, okay, negative 27, and then negative 3 and 49 equals to 46, yeah. This is B square. And the next is 9F. C times A times B, yeah. It doesn't matter if we have brackets or not. In the questions, they give you a bracket, so C times A like this, but it doesn't matter really. We can do C times A first, or maybe you can do A times B first. It doesn't matter. So for the C, we have, let's take a look at if we can multiply them or not, yeah. For the C is 2 times 3 matrix, and for the A is 3 times 2 matrix, and for the B is 2 times 2 matrix. It's obviously we can do C times A because the number of the middle is the same, and we can do also A times B because the middle number is also the same, yeah. So we can do all of them. So let's start with C times A, yeah. C times A, wait, where is C? Okay, 3, negative 2, 1, and then 2, 4, negative 6. I will times it with the A, 1, negative 2, 2, 1, 4, 3, and then B is the last one. Okay, I will multiply the C and A first, yeah. So the first row and the first column, it will give you 3 minus 4 equals to negative 1, negative 1 plus 4 equals to 3, and then for the next one is this one, 6 minus 2 equals to negative 6, negative 2, negative 8, negative 8, and 3, negative 5. And then for the second row, you will have 2, 8 equals to 10, 10 minus 24 equals to negative 14, and then with the second row, you will get 2 times negative 2 equals to negative 4, negative 4 plus 4 equals to 0, negative 18. So you will get negative 18 times with 2, 1, negative 3, and 7. After that, multiply it one more time. This times this equals to 2 times 3 equals to 6, 6 plus 15, 21, and for the second row, you will have 3 and negative 35, negative 32. For the third row, for the second row, you will get negative 28, negative 28 plus 54, yeah, 54. So it's 26. Am I right? 40. Yeah, okay. And then for the last one, you will have negative 14 and negative 70, 56. 60, 70, negative 140. Okay, this is the answer for 9F. And the next is C transpose times A transpose. That means we have to transpose it first. For the C, you will have 3, negative 2, and 1, 2, 4, and negative 6 as its transpose. And then for the A, you will have 1, negative 2, 2, 1, 4, 3. Let's check whether we can multiply it or not. This one is 3 times 2, that one is 2 times 3. Of course we can. So let's start with the first row and the first column. You'll get 3 and negative 4 equals to negative 1, and then go to the second column. You will get 6 and 2 equals to 8. For the third one is 12, 6 equals to 18. For the second row, you will get negative 2 and negative 8 equals to negative 10, and then negative 4 and 4 equals to 0, and negative 8 and 12 equals to 4. And then the third row, you will get 1 and 12 equals to 13, and then 2, negative 6, negative 4, and the last one is 4, negative 18, negative 14. There you go. This is the answer for 9I. Yeah, next is 10A. For 10A, we have to multiply to find the value of A. So when we multiply, please remember to use the row times column method. Yeah, so this one will be 2 times 1 equals to 2, negative 2A, and then plus 15, yeah, equals to 21. That means 17 minus 2A equals to 21, negative 2A equals to 4. So A equals to negative 2. Next is 10D. For 10D, we have to multiply it like this. So we will get x squared plus 3 times 2 equals to 6. 2 times negative x equals to negative 2x equals to 14. Yeah, it's still a matrix. Because we have 1 times 1 matrix equals to 1 times 1 matrix, therefore we can conclude that the first matrix should be equal with the second matrix. Yeah, so x squared minus 2x minus 8 equals to 0, and then we have to find the x minus 4, x plus 2 equals to 0, x equals to 4, and x equals to negative 2. And then the next one is 15. For 15, we have a. We have to find the a square. A square means you have to multiply the a 2 times like this. So we will get this times this equals to 1, and 0 equals to 1, and this one is also 1, this one is 0, that one is 0. Okay, this is the result for a square. And then for the a cube, I think it will be the same, yeah, 1, because the numbers is the same. This is for the a square, right? 1, 1, 0, 0. For the a cube, it will be like this. As you can see, we already calculate this, so we can say that 1, 1, 0, 0 times with 1, 1, 0, 0 again one more time. That means the result will be like this also. Yeah, so the a square will be 1, 1, 0, 0, the a cube will be 1, 1, 0, 0, for the a4 will be 1, 1, 0, 0, and a to the power of 23 also 1, 1, 0, 0. And then for number 7a, we'll do in these questions directly. So remember, this is the symbol for the determinant, right? So we have to find the determinant. I will be using a Saris method. So this one is 5 minus negative 6 equals to 11. So the answer for number 17a equals to 11. Next is D. This times this equals to 24. This times this equals to negative 28. So plus it, you will get 52. The answer for D is 52. And the answer for F will be this times this times this. For the first one, it will be x plus 2 times x minus 2, and then minus the result with the second one, x squared. So you will have x squared minus 4 minus x square minus x square equals to 0, 0 minus 4 equals to negative 4. So for the f, it's negative 4. Okay, next. And now we have the 3 times 3 matrix. Okay, we have 3 times 3 matrix. I will use Sarus method. 3, 2, 1, 1, 5, 4. So we have to multiply this equals to 40, 120, and then we have to multiply this also plus 6, multiply this one also equals to negative 32, and then minus the result with this one negative 20, and then this one equals to 18 times 4, 40, 72 ya, plus 72, and then the next is this one plus 16. Okay, good. So the results will be 126 minus 32, it's 94, and then minus 88 minus 20, 68, and the result will be 26. Yeah, 26. And the next is 30b. For 30b, it's also the same like this. So you will get determinant equals to berapa nih? 8, 24 plus 15 plus 0 minus the opposite direction like this. It will be 0. 3 times 3 equals to 9, 36, and then plus 4. Okay, 39 minus 40 equals to negative 1. Okay, for 30c, it's also the same. You have to multiply it like this. 0 plus 12 plus 4 minus the opposite sign. You'll get negative 12, and then 9 and negative 36, and then 0 equals to 16 minus negative 48 plus 48, 50, 64. And the next is 31. For number 31, we have to find the determinant equals to negative 11. Yeah, so we have to find the determinant first. 1 a minus 1, and then 2. Be careful with this one because we have 2 terms inside of the matrix. So I will use Sarus method again. 1a minus 1, and then 2. Okay, I will go slow. So we have to multiply this and this. I will rewrite it first because it's a little bit hard. A minus 1, and then a plus 2. Okay, like that. And then for the second one is 8 plus 8, and then the third one is 0 plus 0, and then minus the opposite direction. This one is 0, and then that one is 12 plus 12, and this one is a plus 2. Yeah, a plus 2. Okay, there you go. This is the determinant, and the determinant equals to 11, guys. Equals to 11. So I will write 11 equals to this times this first, cross multiplication. You will get a square plus a minus 2, and then plus 8 minus a plus 14. Okay, let's simplify it one more time. You will get 3a square, 3a square plus 3a minus 6 plus 8, minus 6 plus 8 equals to 2, and then minus a minus 14. 11 equals to 3a square, 3a minus a equals to 2a, and then negative 12. Then move the 11 to the right side. You'll get 3a square minus 2a minus 23. My god, did I do some mistakes? Oh, I'm so sorry guys, this should be negative 6. Oh, betul ya, plus 2. Okay, so I did a little bit mistake right here. Plus 2a, but still we cannot factorize this, yeah, so we have to use the general formula equals to negative b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac over 2a. Okay, so minus b equals to negative 2 plus minus square root of b square, 4 minus 4 times a equals to 3, c is negative 23, okay, over 2 times a, 2 times 3 equals to negative 2, and then plus minus square root of wait, it will be 70, I guess, no, 100, 280, yeah, 280, am I right? Just like calculate. 4 plus 4 times 23 equals to 280. Okay, good. So over 6 equals to negative 2 plus minus square root of 280, 4 times 70 to square root of 70, yeah, over 6. So we can simplify by dividing them by 2. Negative 1 plus minus 1 square root of 70 over 3. There you go. This is the answer for A, not X, yeah, but A. A equals to negative 1 plus 1 square root of 70 over 3. A2 equals to negative 1 minus square root of 70 over 3. Oh, actually, I write the question wrong. It should be negative 11, guys. Oh my god, negative 11 equals to negative 1. Negative 1. Nah, ini baru bisa di factorize, ya. So we can factorize this. 0 equals to 3a and a and 1 plus minus like this, plus 3a minus, okay, a equals to 1 over 3, and then a equals to negative 1. There you go. Okay, next is the last one, 32. We have to find the determinant first. Why we have to find the determinant? Because the question says it's singular, yeah. Do you know what is the meaning of singular? Singular means the determinant equals to 0. So we have to find the determinant first. Okay, for the first one is this one. I will rewrite it first. Determinant equals to a minus 6. Wait, times it with a, times it again with minus 4. And for the second one is 0, 0, plus 0, plus 0. And for the opposite sign will be 0, this and this. Okay, 0 minus 4 times a minus 6 plus 0. And the determinant should be 0, yeah, because it's singular. Negative 4a times a minus 6 plus 0, 0, we don't have to write. And then minus with negative 4a plus 24. And the results will be negative 4a squared plus 24a plus 4a minus 24 and equal to we can divide them by negative 4. A squared minus 7a plus 6. Therefore we will get a 6 and 1 minus a equals to 6 and a equals to 1. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you can understand it. If you cannot understand, you can ask me directly, yeah. Bye bye.